Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on a web cache poisoning lab in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is URL normalization. So there's an XSS vulnerability that is not directly exploitable due to browser URL encoding. Solid Lab take advantage of the cache normalization process. So we need to find an XSS vulnerability, inject a payload that will execute alert 1, and then get that cached so that the victim does it. All right, interesting. Let's check it out. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. I'd appreciate that. Let's do that later. Okay. So we've got to find an XSS and then get that cached. And yeah, all right. So I think let's while we're waiting for we can't. Never mind. I was gonna set up the script, but we can't until we have the URL. Has deliver link. Okay. So we need to figure out a link and then deliver that, and so it doesn't have to be on the home page. All right. Let's go here. We're looking for an XSS vulnerability. Blah, 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 adblah.com. And it's going to be reflected, right? Could be, no, it's going to be reflected. Not, could be DOM, I guess. Holy cow, what is going on? This is super annoying. All right. Well, now I will set up this script. So Python create utils, create script, paste that. We'll get that going. That was created right away. Interesting. Okay. All right. Let's go back here. Why is this not? Oh, thank you. Back to blog. Home. So really, we're trying to click every link. We want to find something reflected. All right, that should be good. Let's go to proxy, HTTP history, and start looking to see what we've got. Got lab header. Got this. And we need it to be a get, right? Because, yeah, it can't be a post. Let's send this to repeater. And look, there's refer. I wonder if proxy. Okay, let's go to repeater. Let's send this as is. Let's check for confirmation. Nothing. Let's start entering some stuff here. Blah, blah, blah. We'll just put blob. Host. Invalid post ID. Oh, and we also need a equals 1 ampersand blah. Oh, crap. Sorry. That's the comment. Refer host. No, we can't modify any for this to work. It's just got to be in the URL. Everything else has to be the same. So we need to let's send this to have it. Extensions, param minor. What did I just do? Okay. Extensions, param minors, guess params, guess get params. That's what we need. Let's go to flow and see how this is working. All right, that looks like it's going. Jeez Louise. We need to proxy target. We need to watch for anything there. Or it could be on the, forget how this does its output, but it could also be here. All right, let's go to proxy. So we're checking that one. Let's check this one. Blog.svg, sure. Let's highlight a few. So we're going to check this one. This one. That one. This one. That looks good. So we're going to do all of these extensions, param minor, guess params, guess get params. Okay. I'm going to let that run and pause the video until it comes back with, whatever we find there. All right. I'll see you in a minute. Okay. So it looks like this is completed. Yeah, it's finished, or I guess we're on the last one. But there we go. Completed 5 of 5. Target. It didn't find anything. So I'm not really sure what to do here. I'm going to have to look at the solution. Because if it's not, yeah, I'm going to have to. This sucks, but all right. Here we go. We'll just look at the first part of the solution. Browse any non-existent path. That's lame. Bob. Not found. And see how it's reflected? Proxy. Send a repeater. And it looks like it cached that. So if I send it again, we'll get a hit. Nope, we got a miss. There we go. Now we got a hit. Okay, interesting. But it's reflected. So if we do, and it's, so we can just do like script alert 1 script, and we don't have to worry about pinging anybody. Okay, so if we send this, boom, and then we go here, and this will URL encode it by default. See? Not, oh. What happened? Okay, so that looks right. Did we proxy? Because we got a miss. And then a hit. So let's proxy, proxy send to repeater. And we're going to send this one. So we get a hit. Send it twice. Hit. Send this one. Hit. See? Sweet. And it's properly formatted. So that's what we need to do to exploit this. And then if I go here and refresh this, damn it. What's the age? 10 seconds. That's why. Send. Send. Boom. All right. Sweet. Show. How are we going to write this one up? It sucks that I didn't check like a page that doesn't exist. All right. Let's vim the script, which is called URL normalization. And we need to, what is the whole, this highlights? Uh-oh. I just updated, so my, I'm going to have to fix this after the call. But let's open up Kate just so we can mark down what we need to do. One, within 10 seconds, or no, we can generate URL to visit it 3 send to victim. All of that needs to happen within 10 seconds. But the generate, no, just these two. Visit it. Make sure we get miss. Send to victim. Wait. Check if solved, or wait 10 seconds and try again. Yeah, so check if solved. Let's do wait 8 seconds and loop. So we can do while, okay. Got it. So our URL equals blog.base URL plus, and we want this to be non-encoded, right? So plus script alert 1 script. Now the question is, if we do requests.get URL, let's add the proxies. Proxies equals utils.proxies and verify equals false. Will requests automatically URL encode? Oh, I need that for us. Will it try to help and do that? Let's run it and see. Oh, shoot. My bad. Change word proxies. Okay. Let's go here. Proxy. Yep. See how it URL encoded it? So we need to not. How do we do that? Huh. I don't know. There's probably some. Let's open up Chrome here and we'll go to requests do not URL encode URL. Hey, this looks like something we can do. Or we could do the prepared request. Let's do that. Yeah. Okay. So to do that, we need to set this, that, and the send. Copy all this crap over and then we'll, okay. Move that there. Request get URL. P equals request.prepare. That's fine. Delete that. S.send P. I hate all of this, but whatever. We're going to request.prepare. Do that. So at least We can get rid of that one. We're going to get rid of this. Okay. Let's try that. URL. What the hell just happened? It didn't have print URL. Print. Okay, the URL looks right. Why didn't it send it? Damn it, you jerk. Just send it like this. Why didn't that work? Resp dot request. Up the after preparation. So let's do this. We can do, so let's delete this. Okay. Delete that. We've got the, define the session, define the URL. We prepare it, and then we're going to do this one more time. p.url. p.url equals URL. Damn it. That didn't work either. Oh. No. The F. We prepared it, and then we're sending it. All right. Well, we can't use requests, so we can use some lower level Python send HTTP request get and post. So we don't want, maybe this has something other than requests. Yeah. We're not going to use requests. Let's try the let's try URL lib. So 3.8. URL request URL open. So we're going to probably get some errors. URL lib request URL open. All right, I'm going to pause the video, come back when I have a good solution. Okay, so I got something that works. I decided just to scrap using Python because, you know, you could do it super easy with curl. And so I'm running curl-i, which includes the headers in the response, the K, which ignores any certificate errors, the X, which tells it to use a proxy, and I'm putting it to burp, and then putting in the URL and telling it to read. So resp will get something like resp will get this to here, right? And then I'll extract whether it's the cache was hit or miss or whatever. Okay, so, and this does request, you can see that the response that we get is not URL encoded, so that will work fine. So number one, I've got the visited. I need to send it to the victim, the URL encoded version now, which I can send the same to the victim. They'll URL encode it when they request it. That's fine. So I need to figure out how to send it to the victim. And if we go here, we see that there's this thing at top, deliver a link to victims. So let's see what that does. Path answer to. Oh, crap. Oh, crap. How do I... suck. I've got to... Oh, no. I don't know how to post that without using something like Selenium. Let's see what it does with window. Submit solutions, submit solution.js. This.get attribute. Callback. Correct. Suck. All right. I don't know how to solve this one with Python right now. Suck. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to solve it and then come back and fix it. So I'm going to go to repeater. Just to solve it, I'm going to copy this URL and get this already. So proxy, let's go copy URL, paste that here, go here and repeater. Okay, here we go. So I'm going to send it, go here, do okay. Delivering. There we go. There's the solve. But proxy. Oh, it delivered. Huh. I wonder if I could just do this. Let's send this. copy. Do I need my... Let's send that to repeater. See what we need here. We don't need a session. We don't need any of this crap. So let's try this. We need to get it, and then we need to send it. So def send to victim and request. We're gonna just do the same thing. So let's copy all of this and let's paste it here. All right, and we want to do a request.post. URL will be, we're gonna blog, or we can just do blog and URL. So here we want blog plus deliver -to -victim. Boom, boom, boom. It's all fine. And then we want the data. Is it data equals answer URL? We need that URL encoded. So from URL lib dot parse import quote. I think that's right. Quote. Whoops. All right. That goes there. That goes there. Quest.post. That we'll do if blog dot no proxy. We'll do that. Else we'll do this. Proxies equals utils dot proxies. Verify equals false. All right, what's the red undefined? Oh, import requests. Okay. So, right, we need to we need to define or establish cache, and probably want URL. So this goes here. Let's do another one. No, let's not. We can just wait every 10 seconds and assume it's done. So we don't need any of this. Establish cache, send to victim. Okay, we've defined the URL. So let's go back to this. Generate URL. Done that. Visit it. While blog.is solved. While not. We're going to do establish cache. And then, what did I say? Oh, send to victim. And then let's, should we wait first or after? Yeah, let's wait. So time.sleep 10 seconds. Import time. Okay. Blog is solved. And just to make sure, man, this turned into a longer video than I wanted. Utils site is solved. This returns, if solved, return true. Okay, good. So, while it's false, we're going to do this. And otherwise, we're going to end. That looks pretty good to me. Let's see if this is still up. It is. Okay. So I'm going to wait 15 minutes and we'll try it again. Okay, see you in a minute. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. This should be now timeout. Good. Let's see if this actually works. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Only thing I changed, I made some log stuff. Logged it, so those 3 lines, just so we know what's going on. Okay. There's that. Let's go arrow up, delete this, and paste this, and see if we can actually solve this. Oh, crap. For blog and string. Oh my gosh. Right here. .base URL. Wait, where? Line 24. Oh, gosh. Blog.base URL. My bad. All right. This time, we'll solve it. Hopefully. Looking good so far. Correct false. Uh-oh. So something... So what did we... Correct false. Correct true. So something in this, let's send to repeater and send a repeater and see what we've got. Oh, it's gonna be the content type, isn't it? No? Host is fine. User agent. Content length. Maybe the origin or the refer. Answer equals. Answer equals. Let's try the origin. Let's try adding the origin and the refer. So that is here. Send origin. blog.base URL. We want everything except for the last one. So -1. I think that's right. Refer equals blog.base URL. Right? So this one ends in the backslash. This one does not. And then we'll add that to the post. So headers equals a dictionary with origin. And then the other one was refer. All right. Headers equals headers. Headers equals headers. All right, let's try that. Proxy. Correct, false. Dang it. What else? Origin, refer. That all looks right. Content type. All right. So this has a host. I thought this didn't matter. I want to not. So I'm going to take out alert. So I don't want to solve it. Oh, this is the wrong host anyway. Yep. Send to repeater. Correct, false. Let's go here and make this. We'll just add the cookie. Cookie. What else could we need? We want, don't I have one that, yeah. Could add all of this, I guess. If 134, and what was 120? Interesting. So we got .NET, %2F, %. Oh, because this is double encoding. Look, %25%, or 3C. That's why. Yeah, this is double encoded what I'm doing. So how do we not double encode it? Take off this. Stupid. All right, sorry about that, but this should get it. It's not solved. Establishing, sending URL to victim. Let's go here and make sure this says correct true. Boom. get our solve. Yes, there we go. Lab is solved. And boom, there we go. Pretty sweet. All right, just to recap, we took advantage of a difference in how the caching is normalizing the URL. So we could send a request that this was not URL encoded. It would cache that, and the key to caching it, it would normalize any others and compare it to the key. So when the victim requested it, it would just be URL encoded. When we did it without URL encoded, and both of those are cached under the same key. And so we could establish the cache with the non-URL encoded version, and then when the victim visited it, they would get the alert. Hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Goodbye.